On June 13 and June 25, 2024, Restoration CrossCheck is going to make a series of special webinars available to remediators explaining the new changes to the IICRC S520 Mold Standard. And there are some new things that remediators should very seriously consider incorporating into their workflow in light of these brand new revisions to the standard that just came out. And we're very fortunate to have with us, as part of the Restoration CrossCheck team, senior consultant, Mr. Cole Stanton, who was on the S520 consensus body. Cole, do you think that ample knowledge of the new IICRC mold standard will help remediators make more money?
Yes. One of the biggest challenges we've had during this 9-year interim period where the standard was out of sight and out of mind is that we're inundated with these spray and pray, fog and forget guys who are out there erasing remediators' profits because they're promising the sun, the moon, the stars with a magic potion and a silver bullet. The standard makes it very clear that the principle of remediation is removal of the mold, correction of the problem, and a resulting workspace that is clean, dry, free of dust, dirt, debris, and free of malodors. That's what remediation is, and that's what it needs to be. And the standard supports the professional remediator who holds themselves to the highest standards.
We're going to give you tips on how to navigate these changes in the upcoming webinars on June 13 and June 25. Sign up now at restorationcrosscheck.com/S520.